Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. Today in this video, we will show you how you can create any website in WordPress in minutes using Claude AI. So let's get started. To connect Claude to WordPress website, we will use a plugin called Nova Mira. So Nova Mira is a WordPress plugin that gives AI agents like Claude, Cursor, Codex, ChatGPT, Anti-Gravity type agents full access to the site, like database queries, file edits, or running PHP. So here the AI doesn't just suggest that you go here and go there to edit it, but it also implements those changes itself. So this plugin is also compatible with major builders like Elementor, WooCommerce, and Divi plugins. And if you look, you can find both the free version and the pro version of Nova Mira here. I have downloaded its free version, so I will be using that. So now let's go to our dashboard. After this, we will come to our plugins here. Here we will go to Add Plugin. After this, we will go to Upload Plugin. We will choose File. And the zip file for Nova Mira is here now. So we click on it like this and we will install it. So Nova Mira plugin is currently installing here. So guys, our plugin has been installed. Now we will activate it from here. Now Nova Mira is installed and activated here, and we will go straight to Nova Mira. After going to Nova Mira, we will click on its configuration. So after clicking on configuration, an interface like this will appear. Here you can see Enable AI Abilities is written, and right below it, it says Turn on AI abilities for this site. So we will click on it and then we will save settings. So after saving the settings, you will see the option to choose your AI client here. There are many AI clients here. You can use any one of these AI clients. So I am choosing the Claude desktop here. After this, there is another option here which says choose your authentication method. You can choose any one of these two authentication methods. I am choosing the auth method here. After this, we will have this option, connect your AI clients. Right here, you will see three more sub options here. The first is open connectors. The second is add a custom connector. The third is enter the server URL. Now we will copy the name of this add a custom connector from here, and we will come to our Claude desktop. Now we are here in our Claude desktop. Now we will go to our settings here. And after going to settings, we will go to connectors here. After this, you will see an add option in connectors here. So we will click here. After this, you have to click on add custom connector. And the name we just copied from Nova Mira, we will add it here. So we have added our name here. We will go back to Nova Mira. And we will copy the URL from here. And coming back to Claude, we will paste this URL here. Now we will add it here. After adding, the connect option will appear here. So we will click on connect button. And right after that, an authorization application page will open for you. And here you have to click on authorize. So we click on authorize. So guys, now Claude AI has been added to our WordPress. Now the main part here is that we have to create our website. So for this, I have already had a prompt written by ChatGPT, and I am pasting that ChatGPT prompt here. So I have written my prompt here in this way. So now we run this prompt from here. Now our prompt is running here, and it is now accessing our website. So I click on always allow here. I have used the Elementor page builder, so I will click on Elementor here. We will click on always allow for this again. Now, you can see here that it has also extracted the ID for our home page. It has extracted it here. And it is asking us a few questions here. I will use stock placeholder photos here as I don't have any photos right now. So I will click on this here. So, guys, our process here is now completely finished, and we have also received a link here stating that your live site is at this particular link. So, let's copy this from here for now, and we will go and paste it here. Okay, so guys, you can see that Claude has created a fitness trainer website for us here. It has created it in a really good way. As you can see here, it has created this website exactly according to the instructions I provided. Homepage, about us, programs, transformations, testimonials, contact. It has added all these things here. There are no images in some places here. You can edit these images by going into Elementor. So guys, it has also created the header and footer of our website here. If we click on Edit with Elementor here, we can also edit our homepage from here. This website is fully editable, so you can come into Elementor to change the text, images, or add any section you like. Along with that, you can also change these things from Claude by giving simple and clear instruction. So guys, this is how you can use Claude AI to create websites in minutes. We also provide AI-related website development services. So if you need any help or want to ask any question related to it, you can book a free 30-minute consultation call with our experts. That's all for today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.